Okay, so I'll start by talking about the student that I'll be assessing for a functional behavior assessment. The student that I will be assessing is going to be a ninth grade female. She traditionally has outbursts in the classroom when she gets frustrated or annoyed. She has a tendency to say whatever she wants instead of talking it through with a teacher, or instead of discussing things or asking questions, she will just have outbursts that lead to classroom avoidance. So she will have her outburst and then she will walk out of the classroom. She will either want to go to the wellness center, go to counseling, or just completely avoid class in general. She has a tendency of doing this probably about once daily. And as I have already talked to my school psychologist about it, we would want that goal to be somewhere around once weekly, or 1 to 3 times weekly, and then moving it to not at all. Our biggest concern with this student is keeping her in the classroom and having her work through her frustrations, rather than having outbursts and fleeing the situation. As for interviewing my speech and language pathologist, I'm going to work with the pathologist that is currently at my school. I feel that that would be easiest and best for communication purposes. I work at Paris Union High School District at Paris High School, and Lucia Barragan is her name. I've worked with her quite a bit with IEPs already this year. And so I plan on setting up that interview to be in person. I would like to interview her face to face. Yeah, so that's what I think with my student for the FBA assessment. The main things are outbursts and classroom avoidance. And then for my speech and language pathologist, I will set that up as an interview in person with my school site speech and language pathologist.